Hi guys, it's Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a new product that we've been waiting for a long time. It's the GET ECU for the KTM 125 SX. This also applies to the XC and then the similar Husqvarna and GasGas models. So any of the new TBI fuel injected models, TBI, so 23 and 24 models. Okay, so we've had tons and tons of complaints about the way these things run in stock form. The mapping on them was horrible, and there was no solution. Nobody really had much to offer for them. So we've been waiting for this product for a long time, and then once we got it, we were a little bit underwhelmed. I mean, it was definitely an improvement, a major improvement over the stock ECU, but still, we just felt like there's a lot more in this motor. So we got to work on the dyno, the regular dyno and the butt dyno, and came up with some excellent mapping for this. Excellent. This thing rips now. All right, and for those of you guys who get all excited about dynos and dyno numbers and stuff, I'm not that guy. I've spent plenty of time on dynos. They're a great tool, but for any business out there that wants to claim that the dyno is the way to go, that maybe I've got some nice polished muffler bearings you might want to buy if you're going to believe that story. So we believe in dynos. We like dynos, but they help. They're a big part of the process, but they're not the solution. You got to ride the bikes. You got to have some riders that know how to ride. You can't just be sea-level riders and do good testing. And then you got to spend some track time. That's all there is to it. You just got to get out there and wear out some tires. And that's what we've done on this project, and we're very happy with the end result. This new ECU is totally badass. So in stock form, these things are extremely weak on the bottom. They're, as you would expect a 125 to be, but they go beyond that. They're boggy on the bottom. And then kind of the mid-range and top end wasn't all that exciting either. So with this new GET ECU and the new programming we've got in it, this thing rips. I mean, it absolutely rips. It's a night and day transformation. It's not just a little improvement. It's a night and day, black and white transformation. It really completely changed this bike. So it added a little to the bottom end. It's definitely not torquey. It's a 125. And but it cleaned up that bottom and made it at least where it will pull down there. But the mid-range and top end are incredible. The way it pulls in the mid-range, and then it feels, I mean, I don't remember the numbers on the dyno, but it definitely revs considerably harder on the top end, revs higher and gets there quicker. I'm going to try to do a ride video on this. I don't have a video camera for doing that with me today, but and plus some of our good areas up here are closed due to snow, so maybe in the next week or two I can find a sunny day and head south a little bit, get a ride video built, but don't hold me to it. But I got to tell you guys, if you ride a 125 TBI model of any of the KTM brands, you want this. I guarantee you it's worth every single penny, and it will totally transform the way your bike runs. All right, this bike is owned by Ray that works at Slavens Racing. He works on the front counter there. Ray's a very talented rider in a lot of areas. He's a talented trials rider. He's an amazing trail rider, and he knows how to rip around a track. So Ray's a very talented guy. But I just want to tell you about our staff there. You know, all the guys that answer the phone, the sales guys, all of them ride KTM brand motorcycles, and they're all good riders, very good riders, very talented riders that know what your bike needs. So when you call in and you get one of those guys online, listen to what they're saying, because they know what they're talking about. They know how to ride. They know our products. They go through our weekly schooling sessions. Yeah, we do training with our employees every week, and there's no other shop on the planet that's like Slavens Racing. I mean, all the big box guys, you know, who knows who you're going to get when you call in there. They probably have 200 people answering the phone. But anyhow, back to this GET. Highly recommend it. You can't go wrong. If you don't like this, we'll take it back. You ride this thing one time, you don't like it, you give me a call. I'll take it back. Because I don't think that it will ever happen. We're one of a kind, so give us a try. I think you'd be surprised, and I think you'll be happy after you deal with my guys. But I almost forgot something here. I know everybody likes to hear a 125 rip, so I'm just going to rev this thing up for a minute. Okay guys, if you would, please like us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, give us a shout out once in a while, stop by the store, hope to see you on the trail. That's all for now.